fellow rebels, and welcome back to the channel. Today's video, I started a new challenge actually on the Roadster app. I'll show you it now in a sec. Actually, I'll show you when I get to the Comeragh Mountains and I stop there. So it's a climb challenge, so obviously see to climb you can go on your bike, how high you can get up, and I think it's for the year. We'll have a look at it when I get up there anyway, but we'll get up there first, and this feels like I'm at the petrol pump the whole time now. Look, it is what it is. So it's a nice day actually, very cloudy around, but it is very warm. Actually never got to stop and have a look what's down there. It looks really nice. I wonder if that pub is actually still open. You'd wonder. Oh yeah. Unfortunately I have to come back this way now as well, so I know how they are feeling on this way back too. So I have to time that as well coming back. Take a look at the Roadster app. So the Roadster app is going to challenges. Okay, cool. So challenges. So there's a May distance challenge. There's another distance challenge, but these are the ones I'm doing now. So the climb challenge. Okay. So as you can see there, climb challenge. You can win 1 of 3 lifetime memberships from the 1st January to the 31st of December. So all of those, you have your leaderboard, all that kind of crack as well. So 190 or whatever. So today's trip I've done 351 kilometers of a climb, I think. So it's that anyway. So I should be bumped up there. And then there's the duration one then as well. That's this one. So pause it if you want to read it. I'll just run through it there. So we've recorded between the 1st of, and so I only started that yesterday, but what I've done before, that's from the start of the year, we'll go on to this, so that's great as well. So you can join it at any time. And yeah, this app is free. I really like this app. If you go, obviously you can go in there. Obviously not sponsored by Roadster, but I'm just showing you something that might help you out. And then I created sections today, which I didn't realise I could do. Well, I didn't know how to do it. So I just tested it. I just put in the testing one. And you can pick part of the road or part of the journey that you really enjoyed. And it can be for scenery or anything else as well. So if I go into edit section, see? If I had curves, scenery, mountain, coast, wall or desert, off-road, city. So you can put those in for a spin that you really enjoyed. So yeah, well worth having a look. I'm going to edit that and put in mountains as well. Well seen, I'll get the mountains in a few minutes, but that's cool to add to sections like that, sections that you really enjoyed, and then you share them with everybody else. So the feed is there, different people put in their stuff there, you go in onto somebody's thing there, you can see all the photos. I really like it, because it's only bikers, so it's not like Instagram or whatever, it's only bikers, so you can share with everybody else in different countries, Greece, wherever they're from. So yeah, thought I'd show you that little thing there. So yeah, this one, so it says distance, climb then. So yeah, if you want to get it, it's the riser app. Right, let's go to Comeragh Drive. Curiosity, I've never been here. Let's keep going. Probably end up by Deise Brian, probably. Hey, the road cows. Hey lads, how's it going? Holy Wells. I'll turn back and check out the Holy Wells. Alright, let's check out the Holy Wells then. We can park the bike somewhere safe, so we can have a look. Yeah, I think it'll be okay in on the side of the road there. I hope. Yeah, drive up a bit here so you can go in onto the grass off the beaten track a small bit. That might not stay, that's the only problem. We move up a small bit. Up onto the stone. Out anyway. I'd say we'll be okay. St. Bridget's holy well. Okay, I need to change my battery first and then we'll go down, okay? Okay, so battery sorted. Bike will be okay there, hopefully. Fingers crossed. Holy Wells, yeah. So St. Bridget's Wells. So yeah, let's have a look. Like I said, sure the bike will be okay. Okay, you keep an eye on that for me. And we can stroll down here, I think. Yep. Cool, so see St. Bridget's Wells there. Let's have a look. This will be interesting to see how far down it is. I know, random bike on the side of the road, but it's in enough off the road, I think. It's mad when you take out the different, when you go on the different sides, or you take a different route where it leads you to. That's what I love about the adventures. Oh, it's a graveyard too. Sure the wells are over there somewhere. Holy wells, signposted. Cool. Wow. Holy wells. Take it. Check here anyway, just in case. You go through here. Look at that. Alright, so the holy wells are down a bit, I'd say. So which is a great famine stone there as well. Very good. Okay, so we'll walk down this way. So maybe that's them over there, I think. Ha, this is a real adventure. That's that Tappered bridge. Oh, what is this? See candles around here and stuff. Wish we had money there for maybe to have a wish or something. Wow. This is fascinating. No history about this at all. This is purely spontaneous. So Tappered, this is another well, I would say. I don't know what the significance is of the pot. The cross. No significance of the cross, but the pot. Maybe it's for good luck, is it? I don't know. There's more pots. So there's 3 wells then. Oh, so the well of Jesus. Wow. I don't know what the pots are. I really don't. I'm going to put some money in. It's just a good look. Safety. So there's 3 wells, so Bilberry, Deise, obviously. Tappered is well in Irish, and obviously Deise is Jesus in Irish. These are fascinating. Can't wait to look up the history of this. I'll get the history of it and I'll pop it up on the video as well. That's very interesting. So 3 wells. Wow. So scenic as well. So Tappered, Deise, Tappered is that Moira, Mary maybe? I think so. In case you think that it might have been drawn to this for whatever reason, I don't know. It's kind of speechless. Like, you know, what do you think of it? Like, you know. So bridge, Dover Bridge. So well of the well of Bridget, the well of Mary, and the well of Jesus. Was not expecting this. That was very, very interesting. Sometimes I surprise myself in the places that I find. But look, if you've never been somewhere and you take a right turn, left turn, you're going to find places you've never seen. And that's what the adventures are all about. Wow. What a find. Feeling a bit heavy now after walking up the hill with all the gear on. Whew. Always close the gate behind you. Oh yeah, it says it up there. Wells of Jesus, Mary and Bridget. Right, time to head back down off the mountain. But how interesting is that, huh? That was very cool. Really like that. I am spiritual anyway by nature. I'm a believer in God. And yeah, I think even if you're not, you would be interested in going, oh, what's down here? So, a worthwhile adventure off the beaten track. See you lads. Bye. Can't wait to look up the history of that. See, yeah, just see the history of it, man. Fantastic. Well, they say, huh? Actually, that's going to be the name of the video. Yeah, 3 wells. Well. Tober Deise, Tober Moira, Tober Bridget. Comeragh Mountains, that looks deadly, don't it? That looks absolutely class.